Hey Karen, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done doing the gutter cleaning here at your home. Everything went well. Gutters look good. The roof looks good. So we'll have our repair technician come by and take care of that problem that branch caused over here. And then we're probably going to cut it off right about here somewhere. Your yard looks amazing. Beautiful place, beautiful house. Thank you so much for having me here. The gutter sticks are working really good. That your gutters were really dry. That means all the water is draining out really well. Those gutter sticks are the downspout filters that allow the water to drain out real nicely. A couple reminders, even though you have those gutter strainers and downspout filters in there, we still want to clean out your gutters twice a year, at the end of fall and just before you do all your fancy yard work in your yard. And that way I don't have to all of the debris painstakingly. I had 3 bags of debris that came off your house. And typically for our clients, when we do gutter cleaning, we just come and blow them out, and then the yard guys will come out and clean up all the mulch beds and put in the new mulch after we clean the gutter. But just because I like you guys so much, I picked up the debris, didn't blow it in your mulch beds, and we're going to go ahead and take it with us as well. So thank you so much for having me out here again. Look forward to helping you keep your place all washed up and cleaned. Windows, house washing, any deck washing you have. I tried to blow off the back deck as best we could, but it is a really whirly, windy day today. So any questions you have, call or text me on my cell. We do have annual maintenance service agreements with gutter cleaning, so when we clean your gutters, more frequently, it's easier for us to do. It's less work, and we'll extend that discount to you. So my cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.